In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can remap buttons and joysticks on your ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the command center, and you can just press the command center button or you can open it up just like so, but open it up and go into Armory Crate SC, and then from here go to configure up at the very top. Select configure. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to want to select gamepad mode and then hit configure again, and then from here it's going to load you to a key mapping section where you can go ahead and map all these buttons in this section. So select any button on the controller. For example, you got the right trigger, the right stick, the X button, Y button, D-pad, the back buttons, literally anything. Let's just use, I guess, I don't know, we'll use the left trigger as an example. Essentially, you could select it, and then you're going to see a primary function, which is the left trigger, and a secondary function. The primary function is what happens when you press the button normally. You could change this to really whatever you'd like, but most of the times you're probably going to want to leave the primary function as the default game input. And the secondary function is where it gets interesting, because the ROG Xbox Ally X has two rear buttons, M1 and M2. So when you hold down M1 or M2, and press another button, it's going to trigger the secondary function. For example, if you set this to really anything like start recording and then hold, M2 and then hit the left trigger, it'll start recording. It really is super cool. It's like a built-in shortcut system. You can also remap joysticks like left stick click, right click, D-pad directions, whatever it might be. If you play competitive games, I would recommend putting something to like, crouch or something. But whenever you're done making changes, just back out of here, and then of course it'll auto save. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.